One of my favorite all-time lower body exercise or power exercises for older adults is the power squat in the Kaiser rack. And we use a 24-inch box, which is really good height. It's high enough for most people that have a hip replacement or knee replacement. And if we need to, we can go a little higher by putting an RX pad. So if they're a taller individual and you don't want to get quite so much flexion in their knee or hip, then we'll put this on. But for the most of the time, this is good enough. So we also, you can use a belt like this, which works really well. Make sure it has 2 rings on it because you need to attach both sides of the pulleys to the belt. One of the problems with the belt, though, is we found that it's too small for a lot of people, and we just want to make sure that we have something that fits. And so we use these vests, and we have 3 different sizes. We have, this is small, then we have a medium and a large. And so it works really well. You put one side on each side of the vest. Come in, hands crossed like this, come down slow, touch, pump up fast. Come down slow, touch, pump up fast. And a couple of cues that are really helpful on this are that will help engage glutes and core is as they come down slow, spread the floor, have them spread the floor with their feet at about 10-15% effort. Obviously the feet aren't going to move, but it's the sensation of that that's going to ignite the glute muscles here and then up. As they go down, if you also have them think about pressing their rib cage down toward their pelvis, that will create more tension in the core, which will be very helpful and make the exercise much safer. So again, they'll come down slow, come up fast. Come down slow, come up fast. Again, one of my favorite exercises to do with older adults for overall power in the Kaiser rack. Just by the nature of how this is set up, it's a super good exercise. And again, it's safe. We use it with people that have hip replacements, knee replacements, and we get really good results out of it. So that's the power squat in the Kaiser power rack.